So it's 10:56 at night right now on a Monday, and I'm bored as hell and in the mood to play with some makeup. So I'm gonna talk while I do it because I'm bored. This is the vibe I'm going for. Someone told me at a photo shoot the other day that I have siren eyes, and I was like, are you sure? Will someone comment and confirm that? But I think I'm gonna do it more with purples because I do blue a lot. It's like I cracked open a cold one to do this, and hopefully that'll get me through. But whenever I do makeup at night, I feel like it comes out so much better because I don't have anywhere to go, of course. I'm just gonna do my normal eyebrows because they're almost the same, except mine are like way darker and thicker. The facelift that gives me is crazy. But low-key, I kind of miss 2016 brows. We should bring them back. I actually think I'm gonna keep my brows like this and not fill them in because in the photo, she doesn't really have like super defined brows and I don't want to fuck it up. I need one of those brow pins to fill in that spot right there because I waxed them too much about a year ago and my hair's never grown back the same. It's so annoying. I have to conceal the top and the bottom so I look bonkers. I'm gonna use the Michaela palette. I'm gonna use the Forever in Love shade in the lighter one to blend it out. I think I'm gonna start with the purple first, which could be a bad idea, but I don't want the black to smudge everywhere doing it on top of it. So, hopefully this comes out right. I'm gonna start like winging it out first because I feel like that's a good place to start. Ooh, this is scary. The blue low-key goes all the way above her crease, which I don't really know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna start blending it up more so you can see it better. I've recently been in my modeling era, which is hilarious because I'm literally 5'1", but apparently in photo shoots that doesn't matter. But it's been really fun. Cool era, I guess. Not I guess. If you would have told me like 2 years ago I would be modeling in photo shoots, I would have laughed in your face because I had no confidence, and here I am voguing in front of a random dude. Okay, so far this is kind of looking like shit. Maybe I should have used a more vibrant color, but I'm gonna trust the process. I'm gonna go over the edges with the lighter purple to try to make it look more better. Okay, I think that'll help actually. That has made a little difference. I basically just shit on myself the entire time I do makeup until it looks good at the end, and I'm like, oh, I'm not that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the lower lash line. I never do my lower lash line at the same time as I do the top of my eyes, so this feels really foreign to me, but I don't really know how else I'd get it to have like a seamless blend if I didn't do it at the same time. Ooh, black eye slay, so cute. It's okay, this look is more bottom heavy anyways with like the black liner part, so maybe fucking it up was a good idea. I still need to do the inner corner, but I'm kind of scared to do that before I do like the actual wing part, so I don't want to make it too big. But okay, I trust myself. Hopefully this all comes together when I start the black, because right now it's giving like that one purple bitch from Adventure Time in not a cute way. Okay, I'm going in with the black now because I need to see what this is gonna look like, if it's gonna get better. Because if not, this video will never make the light of day. Which, the more I'm doing this, the more I think that's probably what's gonna happen. But it's like really smoky, so I'm making this hella thick. Okay, it's starting to look a little bit better now. Now I'm like, okay, we can salvage this. I just like drew it, and now I'm just gonna like smoke it out with like no product in my brush and blend it. Okay, I think it looks a lot better now that I added the black. What are we thinking? Is it giving siren? I just kind of drew the shape and then I used nothing on my brush to blend it out, like to make it more smoky. And then I went back in with the purple to try to smoke it out. But I'm gonna leave it before I get too ahead. The difference is crazy. Wow. I'm gonna go in with liquid liner just at the very like root of it because it's not dark enough for my liking, which just could fuck up the blend, but I think it might make it better. Okay, well, I still need to do like black in my waterline, but I'm gonna wait till the end to do that. But I look kind of crazy, and I think adding more black fucked it up, but I'll let y'all be the judge. Okay, so I'm like at the same steps, and the liner is definitely what makes this look, because bad, kind of slay. Bad, siren, sexy slay. Okay, so I'm done with the eyeshadow on both eyes. I actually think it looks kind of good, dare I say. All I need to do is add the black waterline, and I think that's gonna make a huge difference, so let's try that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. I feel like a rock star girlfriend. I think this side looks better than this side. Maybe it's because my lashes are like bad on this side, but oh well, they're even enough. For my skin, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay Skin Tint. I love this. It's honestly like hella full coverage, and I don't think I would classify it as a skin tint, but I want to be tan, and that's a good color for that, so I'm literally gonna paint myself. I'm trying out the new Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Serum. I love the little face base cream, I think that's what it's called, but this is $85, and I don't know if any serum's worth that. So, it smells exactly like the moisturizer. Guys, look how white my armpits are. That's bad. Like, look at this. I mean, it looks very skin-like, but I feel like skin tints are less full coverage. But I'm not mad about it. I'm a full coverage queen. Okay, that actually matches my body really good right now. Don't mind me, I have The Real Housewives playing. I started watching it like a while ago, and I finished Orange County. That was interesting. So now I'm starting Beverly Hills, and then I'm gonna watch Vanderpump Rules, which I'm so late to, but I'm taking my time, okay? I want to know the full story. I use Patrick Tall. She's sculpted because I want more of like a contour cheek and not really bronze because I already got that going on. Are you serious right now? Please ignore the stuff on my bed. I'm going through it. I've just given up on this battle. If anyone has any tips, let me know. Oh my god. Somebody is a bad boy. You're so cute. I can't stay mad at you, gorgeous. Okay, that looks so much better now that I blended my under eye concealer, because that was looking scary, and I know y'all were thinking it. Usually I add cream blush, but this isn't really a blushy look, and I'm just going to do powder because I don't want it to be too much. I literally hate this under eye because it's already like bleeding. And I'm like, can I just get through the makeup, please? I turned the lights up so you can see the makeup, and now I'm highlighting the shit out of my face because that's kind of how she had it in the look, and I like that. So I'm using Benefit Tickle. She is tickling my highlight fancy. So I finished the look, and not gonna lie, I kind of love it. It's so different for me, but I'm proud of myself for actually listening to my needs and doing a full glow. This is what it looks like in different lighting. The glow is glowing, but yeah, thanks for watching me beat my face. And if you do this look or something like it, tag me because I want to see. Bye, bitches.